Hello out there, you guys. This is the world famous here, Mr. River Rat, the troubleshooter, borderline amps. Today we have another General Lee, but this General Lee comes with a 10K. Right there. This is a radio repair for a fellow named Vecino. This is your voltage regulator here. 827. See the focus here. Let me see. There it is, B827. Okay. Then we're going to put on low. Let's go with the amperage here. About a 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's about a 2 and a 3. We'll lower down a little bit on the talk back. And on high, well, it's all the way to the 3. It should be somewhere on the 4 or 5 amp draw. Okay, we're gonna go on the, well, you know what, let me see if it's a 4. Let's put the 4. Let's go over here where the 10 was. Yeah, let's look about 4. 4 or 5. Okay, let's go back with the low. On the 10 watt slug here, we're going to read on the bottom where the 100 will be a 10, the 20 will be the 2. About a 1 watt dead key.
Probando. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probando. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hola.
It's about a 3, 4. Okay, and a high. Run into the high, about a 5 watt.
Dead key. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probando. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Probando. Probando.
About a 7 and 8. Okay. General Lee. Thank you very much. 73. I'm gone. Bye.